You will use Learn Platform for any tech tool or resource you are using in the classroom or mentioning in the classroom. You can see here, if I type in a product like Adobe, this is approved in the district. You'll see it right here. You'll be able to go to details. You'll be able to see anything related to Adobe will come up as far as products go. But I'm here to show you what happens if you want to use a product in class that is not currently approved in the Jordan School District Library. So for example, let's try the National Museum of Natural History. They have some really cool virtual tours and stuff that you can do with your students. As you can see right here, this product is not approved in Jordan School District right now. So you're going to have to go through the process of getting it approved in Jordan School District. But for this one, luckily, there is actually one in the Learn community. So in all of the other districts that use Learn Platform, someone has already put in the National Museum of Natural History virtual tours. So all you have to do is request this for our district, and you'll fill out the information it asks for and hit submit. Let's look at another example that's more local. Let's go to the Hill Aerospace Museum. Say you want your students to use some of the virtual tours they have on that website. Well, unlike the last product, this one is not in Jordan School District, but it also is not in the Learn community, which means no one has put this website into anywhere in Learn Platform. So if you see this situation, you're going to see this box that says missing product, then you're going to hit request product right there. So you're going to put your product name down. So we could say Arrow. And then you're going to copy and paste the URL right here. Once you've done that, you're going to get a request form that looks something like this. You're going to select the school that you work at, and you're going to go through every single question that they're asking. Please make sure you're filling out everything that they ask you for. And then you're going to submit the request, and we will see if it can be approved in the district. When you're in the Learn Platform library, this is a really good place to see all of the different resources being used across our district every day. You're going to see three main colors when you look at different products. You're going to see green, yellow, and red. Green means that the product is approved for use in classrooms. Yellow means that it's approved with some exceptions, so please look at those ones carefully. And then red means this product has been denied in Jordan School District. You can always click on any product, see details to see what the exception is, why it was denied, or anything else that you need to know before you use the product in your classroom.